Hello guys, welcome to Learning with Prep Class. I am your tutor, Adindu. In this video, I'll be solving questions 1 to 3 from the 24th edition of the Ugo Quantitative questions. After this video, you would have gained understanding on how to carefully select the correct answers when solving questions in quantitative. It's usually fun having you guys around, and I know today will be an awesome session. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can go the extra mile of leaving a comment so we can communicate for effective learning. Without further ado, let's zoom in. Here is section A, and in section A, we'll be using these examples to solve questions 1 to 3. How do we go about this? We need to understand the relationship between each of these numbers to see what brought about or how the increment came about. Once we build an understanding of this, and it is true for both examples, then we can use that understanding in solving questions 1 to 3. So we have 5, 12, and 26. So we would say 12 minus 5 will give us 7. That's true. 7 times 2 will give us 14. That's also true. And 14 plus 12 is equal to 26. That looks very correct. So we are going to test it on this other example. If it comes out fine, then that would be our guide to solving questions 1 to 3. 6 minus 2 will give us 4. 4 times 2 will give us 8. And 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. So this is how we are going to solve questions 1 to 3. Let's try them out. Question 1. We have 7, 16, and a question mark here. So we're going to be using the understanding we gained from the examples to solve this question. Let's see how to get it done. So 16 minus 7 will give us 9. 9 times 2 is equal to 18. 18 plus 16 will give us 34. And that is what our answer would be. Our answer here would be 34. Let's check it out. Question 1, option A, 34 is our answer. Let's look at question 2. Now, question 2, we have 9, a question mark here, and 42. This question would be a bit taxing because we don't know the number here. So definitely we'll be bringing in variables. That means we'll be bringing in alphabets to represent the unknown answer. Then when we solve the equations, we are going to get these unknown answers. Let's see how to get it done. So we said let the question mark here be equal to x because we don't know what ought to be here. So x, which is the question mark here, minus 9 will give us an answer we still don't know. Let us say it's equal to y. So we now understand that y times 2 plus x will give us 42, just the way we understood from our examples. Y, the answer here, times 2 plus x is equal to 42. Now, if you look above, you see that x minus 9 is equal to y. So we are going to be replacing this in this equation. So x minus 9 is equal to y. So here, wherever we see y, we are going to put x minus 9. So y times 2 will give us 2y plus x equal to 42. Now we know y to be equal to x minus 9. So we're going to replace it here, x minus 9. So 2 times x is 2x. 2 times minus 9 is minus 18 plus x equal to 42. Then we're going to collect like terms. We are just going to add up x plus 2x will give us 3x minus 18 equal to 42. Then next we collect like terms. That means the like terms, of which we did a bit of it here. X plus 2x give us 3x. Then minus 18 will go out to become plus 18. Because when a negative sign crosses equality sign, it becomes positive. And when a positive sign crosses equality sign, it becomes negative. So that's how we're going to collect the like terms. So 3x minus 18 equal to 42. We collect like terms, it becomes 3x equal to 42 plus 18. So 3x is equal to 42 plus 18 will give us 60. So how do we solve for x? We divide both sides by 3. So when we divide both sides by 3, it will be 3x over 3 equal to 60 over 3. 3 cancel 3 will give us x. 60 divided by 3 will give us 20. So x is equal to 20. So this our x here is equal to 20. But remember that when we wrote out an equation, we got y is equals to x minus 9. So if y is equals to x minus 9, it means if we replace x with 20, it will be y equals to 20 minus 9, which is equal to 11. So what we are basically saying is, since this question mark is 20, it means 20 minus 9 will give us 11. And 11 times 2 will give us 22. 22 plus 20 is equal to 42. I take that again. 20 minus 9 is equal to 11, which we discovered here. So 11 times 2 is 22. 22 plus 20, which ought to be here, will give us 42. So our answers are quite correct. Let's check it out. Option D, 20, is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 3. Yeah, it's looking similar to question 2 because we don't know what ought to be here. So definitely we are going to be replacing this with a variable, call it x, and 40 minus this is also going to give us an answer we don't know, call it y, and from there we're going to solve the question. Let's see how to get it done. So let this question mark be equal to x. So 40 minus x is equal to y because we don't know what it will be, since we don't know what this value actually is. So we also know that the answer here, which is y, times 2 plus 40 will give us 82. Yes, y times 2 plus 40 will give us 82. So y times 2 will give us 2y plus 40 equal to 82. We collect like terms. Plus 40 will cross equality sign to become minus 40 because it's a constant like 82. So 2y will be equal to 82 minus 40, which will give us 42. So how do we get y? We divide both sides by 2. 2y over 2, 42 over 2. 2 will cancel 2 to give us y. 42 over 2, 2 here, 2 here, 1, which will be equal to 21. Now, to find x, remember, 40 minus x is equal to y. So we are going to put the value of y in this equation and solve for x. So, and y is equal to 21. So 40 minus x equal to y, where y is 21, 40 minus x is equal to 21. So we are going to collect like terms. Minus x will cross equality sign to be positive, which is x, and 21 will come in here to become minus 21. It crosses equality sign to become minus. So 40 minus 21 will give us 19. So we are saying x is equal to 19 and y is 21. So let's try it out. 40 minus 19 will give us 21. 21 times 2 will give us 42. 42 plus 40 will give us 82. So the question mark here is 19. Let's check it out. Option E, 19, is the correct answer. Alright, this is how much we can take in this video. I hope it was engaging. So I'm using this time out to ask us to join our WhatsApp group using this link below, so we can get updates on more videos to come, and we can also ask questions on previous videos we've seen. It was actually fun having you guys around. Till I come your way again. Bye.